Evaluate the double integral 0 to a, 0 to root of a square minus x squared, square root of a square minus x square minus y squared dx dy. The first integration is with respect to x, the inner limits also a function of x. So, the correct form, you will have to rewrite this, the correct form is integral 0 to a, integral 0 to root of a squared minus x squared, square root of a squared minus x squared minus y squared into dy dx. This is the correct form. The first integration is with respect to y, treating x as a constant, and therefore 0 to a, integral 0 to root of a squared minus x squared into square root of, I can write this as root of a squared minus x squared the whole squared minus y squared into dy dx. What is this? I am going to use the formula. What is the formula? Coming here, what is the formula? The formula is integral root of a squared minus x squared dx is equal to a squared by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus x by 2 into root of a squared minus x squared. Of course, we will have a constant c if it is a indefinite integral. This is a definite integral with the limits, and therefore, I do not need to put the c here. So, we will be getting integral 0 to a, treating this as a squared, instead of x squared I am going to have y squared. Compare with that formula, a squared by 2. So, this squared, so a squared minus x squared by 2 root of a squared minus x squared the whole squared is a squared minus x squared by 2 sin inverse of x by a, here y by root of a squared minus x squared plus x by 2, instead of x you have y by 2 into root of a squared minus x squared, here root of a squared minus x squared minus the whole square minus y squared. You have to write down the whole thing. You have to substitute the lower limit 0, y equal to 0 to y equal to root of a squared minus x squared. Whole thing with respect to y, and therefore, then you will have to write dx. Substituting for y, not for x, integral 0 to a, this is treated as a constant. I am going to substitute only for y, therefore, a squared minus x squared divided by 2 sin inverse of, instead of y you substitute root of a squared minus x squared by root of a squared minus x squared. Therefore, this will get cancelled. For the lower limit, if you substitute y equal to 0, automatically sin inverse of 0 is 0 minus 0. This is only for upper limit and the lower limit for the first term. Second term coming here plus y is root of a squared minus x squared divided by 2 square root of a squared minus x squared minus what is y squared? Square root of a squared minus x squared the whole squared. You get a squared minus x squared. This become nullified, and therefore, this whole thing will become 0. And if you substitute lower limit 0, if you 0 divided by 2 into root of a square minus x square minus 0, and therefore, lower limit also 0. So, you can say that the whole term, this term also becomes 0, already 0, 0, and therefore, you are left with only integral 0 to a a squared minus x squared divided by 2 into sine inverse of 1 into dx. What is sine inverse of 1? That is pi by 2. Sine 90 is 1 and therefore sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So, pi by 2 into this 1 by 2 also coming outside, term by term integration, a squared into x minus x cube divided by 3 between 0 to a. So, pi by 4 into a squared into a minus 0, a cube minus a cube by 3, which you get 2a cube by 3, pi by 4 into 2a cube divided by 3. So, all that you are getting is pi a cube divided by 6. And this is the final answer.